make a home look sleek, stylish and full of personality. At the same time, clutter-free and kids-friendly. Welcome back to DesignCafe Homes and Namaskar from the city of Joy, Kolkata. Today we are here to give you a beautiful tour of a 3 BHK home interiors for Mr. Samrat Kundu and his family. We have with us the most talented designer who has designed this particular residence for Mr. Samrat and his family. That is none other than Rimpa Das. Hi Rimpa.
Hello Mushika, hi.
Hi Rimpa. So from what I'm seeing here, there's a lot of creativity in this area. It's a perfect mix of both classy and stylish, right? So what was your concept here for the living area?
So Ipshita, when I am designing the living room, that time we thought we will give a contemporary look in that room. So we have added that classical touch and traditional as well as modern look as
Right.
So in that living room entrance, we gave a console table with a rattan finish, and above the console table we kept a Buddha statue to give a more aesthetic look as well.
Right.
And we have designed the TV unit with a storage purpose as well as decorative shelf. So in the TV you can see we have used the wallpaper with a fluted panel and lots of lights as well. Here also we have placed a moulding with a grey sofa to complete the overall living room.
That's a great design, Rimpa. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
So Rimpa, I really love how the dining area feels almost gallery-like, right? And specifically the mirror at our backdrop. It doubles up the entire space, right? So,
Yeah, we have put the mirror because I want to look the dining area bigger than the living room.
Correct.
So the another reason to put the mirror is to reflect the lights and give a more brighter area in the dining. So in that area we have used the wall color with a mirror with a wooden table and a grey chair with matching with the grey sofa. And in the crockery area as well, we gave some storage, open unit and some glass storages for decorative purpose. Yeah, so that the living and dining area will look similar in a contemporary way.
That's great.
Thanks. Welcome to the kitchen area. It's a parallel kitchen, and in this kitchen we have used two colors of laminates, dark beige and light beige. So we have used the Moroccan tiles in the kitchen floor and a greenish and white dado tiles in the wall. We gave a drawers and a pull out and more glass cabinets, and for more storage we gave a tall unit and a appliance unit as well.
Well, Rimpa, I really love how the kids' room has turned out to me. It's my favorite room of this entire house. So what were your thoughts behind this?
So yeah, this is also our favorite place in this flat. So this was specially designed for Akhi, Sarah and Ma'am's daughter.
Great.
She is a very cute and sweet child. We have designed the wardrobe with a pink and a ice blue with a bookshelf as well. And we gave a accent wall with a cloud design with warm lights and a trundle bed over there. And you can see there is a window seating to give a good place for her sit out area in it. And we gave a good study table which has a bookshelf as well and an open unit. So, and in the middle of the room we gave a small play zone area where she can play.
That's great. So you have designed a multifunctional room where she can study, she can sleep and she can play as well. That's great. So I really love how there are two main components in this room. One is the cute panda handles and one is the cloud backdrop. So write down in the comment section below which is your favorite part of this room. Yeah.
How do you like your room?
It's very awesome.
You love it?
Yes.
How much?
Very, very, very nice. Oh.
Welcome to the parents' room. In this room, we have used 3 color palettes: yellow, green, and white. So you can see this is the puja unit, which is the main component of the room. In this puja unit, we have used a white color laminate with a back panel with warm light. Below the puja unit, we have used a tray, a drawer, and a shelf for the puja stuff. Next, this is the curtain, and we have used a solid yellow color for the aesthetic. And in this wall, this is the accent wall of the room, where we have divided the wall into 2 parts. Below we have used moulding with a green color, and above we have used a traditional Rajasthani wallpaper. This is the bedside table, which we have used for storages, and the bedside table as well.
So welcome to the master bedroom of Mr. Samrat Kundu's residence. Although this room is quite small, but it doesn't feel cramped up at all. So Rimpa, can you tell us how you have designed this entire room?
So Ipshita, this is a very small room in the inter-flat. So we kept a very lighter theme for this room.
Great.
Like 3 colors we have used: blue, white, and a yellow pop-up color. So you can see the wardrobe also, we have to use 2 colors, grey and a light grey theme.
Right.
And for bed also, we gave a hydraulic storage, so they can use the entire bed as well for a storage purpose. And we gave yellow colored headboard with a grey fluted panel in the back and a blue colored HDHMR panel for the highlight portion. And we have used the curtains, white base only, give the room very elegant look. So that's it.
That's great. And also I love how Rimpa has designed a beautiful dresser unit cum side table, which has a magnetic opening with storage inside. Just how DesignCafe uses a 20% extra space saving solution. So that's how it is also being designed. Rimpa, this has been an amazing tour. Every room flows in together so beautifully and has its own charm, right?
Yeah, it was a pleasure working on this project as well, and a little fun with the little one Akhi.
If you enjoyed the tour,
Hit like,
drop a comment below
don't forget to subscribe.
for more such inspiring spaces. আবার দেখা হবে।